Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of a picture on the PhotoRoom app. So in order to do this, it's quite easy. So literally all you need to do is literally just open the PhotoRoom app, and then right here you will see classics, and it literally says transparent, which means removing your background. You just simply click on it. You can literally choose any photo you want, for example this one. It's going to scan and it's literally just removing the background, as you guys can see right now. And then all you need to do is click on export right here. You can save it to your photo gallery, you can save it to your files, you can save it to your Instagram stickers and all those kind of things. But the easiest way is just saving it to your gallery, then clicking on done. And literally if I right now go into my photos app, we can see that right now I removed the background of my image. So that's how you can remove the background of a picture or image over on the PhotoRoom app. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.